Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change language in Pokémon TCG Pocket. To change the language setting in Pokémon TCG Pocket, first of all, open the Pokémon TCG Pocket application on your phone and make sure to log in. Once logged in, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the bottom right corner. Now, from the expanded menu, click on Other. After you get to the Other tab, click Settings. Now from the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the Language option and tap on the drop-down. From the list of available languages, choose the language you want to switch to and then click on OK at the bottom, and the game will automatically update to the chosen language. After changing to your preferred language, you can dive deeper into the Pokémon TCG Pocket experience in your native or preferred language right away. So that is how you easily do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Pokémon TCG Pocket tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.